Now I had to get some video before it came apart, but this right here is key spike. It's about to get handlebars. It got a 21-inch front rim. It's getting some new foot pegs, I guess you call them. I don't know the real name of them, but let me go ahead and get you guys before and after. Just going to Daytona like this, basically, this color. When we get back from Daytona, it's gonna have some major changes. This is also the old headlight too. I'm gonna do a video with a new headlight going in soon. Probably tomorrow or Wednesday actually, because I got off work Wednesday, so new headlight might be in there Wednesday. I'm gonna try to get done with the handlebars today. Get you guys video both sides. See it? See it? If that also in preparation for getting the handlebars off. This has to come off along with this front side, back side. Brake lever, bolt underneath, bolt. He's getting a new lever also because, as you can see, his is broken. So got him a new one right there. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Start taking apart. Little update. See, I got throttle cable off. Getting ready to dismantle some stuff. Got the front off. Handlebars about to come out in a minute. In about 20 minutes. They're gonna be out. These are them right here. I don't want to grab them too much because I don't want to scratch the paint or anything. But they're there. Alright, so I got it prepped and ready for the handlebars to come off. You can see I had to take down this plastic right here. Got that. You guys can see I can access the bolts now for the handlebars. Bomb. Even the plugs for the handlebars. Now I could get to them. Alright. See what I'm saying? Drop the bolts out of there. Flip this back. Holds itself. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, right here in front we got the new handlebars, and in the back we got the old. I'm trying to put them next to each other. New handlebars are quite bigger. They got more pitch on them.